If you're looking for new headlights, do not hesitate to purchase the Terminators. These things are incredible. I just upgraded my Hyundai here with the LM 50,000 LMs, and it is just a ridiculous amount of light. There's a couple of things I really like about it. The installation is super easy. I bought the H7s, and the nice thing about it is they don't have that retrofit kit that you have to have on it, or a CAN bus. These are CAN bus readies, which means that it has anti-flicker technology to it. Now, the installation took me about 5 minutes, really. As long as you can get the caps off, you can get these lights in. The one thing that you have to remember is you want the LEDs facing this direction, up and out, and so that way the light actually goes forward the way that it's supposed to. But the light in these things is incredible. Some of the concerns that myself included and other people have is the flickering, and on these lights they are CAN bus ready, so you don't have to worry about that. The other concern that I had is if these are going to be so bright that everybody's going to be flashing their high beams on me, thinking that I have my high beams on. Now, I haven't personally experienced that just due to the height of my car, but what I can tell you is these lights are very bright, but the nice thing is they cut off. And I'll show you here on my wall so you can kind of see that, and then I'll show you in a parking lot at how well they how well they shine. But they do go a long way, and the light is bright white. And the one thing I really like about it is it doesn't have that bluish tint to it, so I also don't have to worry about that. Now, the one thing about this technology that I've noticed, especially when you don't have the big old fans sitting on it, is I've noticed there's a little bit of an electrical hum. This model that I had, which is the model before the upgraded model, does have a little bit of a hum that you can hear. The one I just put in my car now, it's there a little bit, but it's not noticeable. I notice it because it's there, but I would dare say that most people are going to have no clue that it's there. But if you want the brightest light, you want to be able to see at night, do not hesitate buying these Terminators. They are incredible.